Did you know that the voting age was actually lowered to 18? The voting age before 18 was 21. Maybe have you ever wondered why the voting age was lowered in, to 18 instead of staying at 21? Well, there are many reasons, so let's get started. The voting age was 21 in the majority of states, and many people were fine with this, but then people started wanting to lower the voting age to 18. Many people wanted this because 18-year-olds were old enough to join the army, drink, marry, and were expected to pay taxes like other adults. Lots of people thought this was unfair and rude, and when people were fighting in the Vietnam War, they made a slogan that started to escalate in popularity. The slogan was "Old enough to fight, old enough to vote." Many people started to protest. People wanted an amendment lowering the voting age to 18 so that it would be fair to 18-year-olds. People had many reasons why the voting age should be lowered to 18. Congress lowered the voting age as part of the Voting Rights Act of 1970. The Supreme Court upheld the legislation in a 5-4 vote in applying the lowered voting age to only federal elections only. A constitutional amendment was required to uniformly reduce the age to 18. People wanted it to be the 26th Amendment. In 1971, Senator Jennings Randolph, a Democrat of West Virginia, proposed a constitutional amendment to lower the voting age. It unanimously passed the Senate. The state legislatures in Ohio and North Carolina were the last to approve the amendment before official ratification took effect on July 1st, 1971. Within the 1972 elections looming, the 26th Amendment was ratified in record time. The Richard M. Nixon administration certified it 4 days later on July 5th. In conclusion, people were protesting to lower the voting age because 18-year-olds were old enough to drink, marry, and to pay taxes. But now people are protesting and wanting the voting age to be lowered to 16. Do you want this to happen?